Hello everybody, welcome back to the latest update of TUT coin guys. And this video I'm talking about tutorial coin news today. But first of all, I recommend to join my free Telegram community. Link is in description. You can see here this type of profits we are making every single day guys. So if you want to trade with me, if you want to get profitable signals every day, so must join my Telegram channel. Link is in description guys. This is a 4-hour time frame price chart of a TUT coin. 15.95% positive changes in last 24 hours. And you can see here yesterday it's listed Binance, and you can see here continuously pumping. Still it's on the highest level. If you look here, so it's on the highest level. Maybe personally I'm expecting a bearish changes right now in a TUT coin guys, because in yesterday it also tested the previous highest price level. So now we are expecting a little bit bearish changes in a TUT coin guys. What's your opinion about TUT? Please tell me in the comment box, because if you look here the volume is decreasing as due to this volume bearish volume. I'm expecting a bearish changes in a TUT coin guys. Thanks for watching. For more latest update and crypto news, join us on Telegram. Link is in description.